Things are going really quick around here. So if there's any way to describe this, it's refreshing in a sense. So we're going through Santa Monica Mountains. We got the traffic turned on, so that's really cool. It's not too demanding. I'm running at a solid about 105 frames per second. But it looks really good. Like, I'm really impressed by just the sheer quality of the road textures. I can feel the telegrammetry, the texturing through the direct drive wheelbase. It looks relatively accurate. Let's get some better, let's create some more shadows here and see what type of, ooh, that's a little too dark. Let's not go that dark. Let's get like a sunset across the plains here. So as you can see, we have the mountains, the clouds in the background. And now we're gonna get some real textures here going. So right off the bat, you can actually see the details of the photogrammetry working in real time. As you drive over these humps, this is all translated through the direct drive wheelbase. And this is really an actual road, Santa Monica right here. Really cool stuff. So you can see how all of this is, you can feel all those bumps here. This is so awesome, man. And it looks beautiful and it drives great. Whoa, hey there, buddy. It looks really good. I'm really impressed. So YouTube didn't really do it justice for me. I really wanted to see what it looked like on my PC, and it looks way better in person than it did on the YouTube videos that I saw. So one thing that I did want to talk about was with Mike, who introduced me to this whole thing of photogrammetry. What he uses is 8K renderings from a DSLR camera, and he'll go to your local park, or most recently, he went to a go-kart track, and he did photogrammetry inside of this go-kart track, and he translated all of the data from a DSLR camera, got 3D renderings, put it into Blender, put it into this engine, and brought it to life in a 3D rendering where you could physically drive a go-kart through a real-life track. And it's just so cool how this is possible, where you can pick different points of the world and literally drive the tracks. It's absolutely mind-blowing to me. Like, you can almost have real life scenarios. I'm literally driving in the mountains of Santa Monica. I've never been on this road in my life, but I figured that this is as close as I can get in real time. Feedback is incredible. This is it's super accurate, man. And I think we're at the top of like a park area, but this will give me a chance to catch up. When you're driving on these roads, it's not just created from like a flat plane. So you have different approaches on how you can create roads in video games, and a lot of cheaper style maps. can tell that it's made with just a flat plane, maybe a couple of bumps here and there, but this is actual polygons textured into different areas here. So you can see all of the little divots here, and these are extremely accurate. So everything that you feel is basically what it would feel like in real life. It's really cool stuff, man. Too much there. But it's so freaking accurate, man. Like, I feel like I'm there almost. And then you have the argument of like, okay, well, is VR better? I would have to say, yeah, you'll get that extra level of immersion, but for me personally, I really like to have my dash, my wheel. I like the lights that I have above me. I feel like I'm pretty much there. Now, if I had a roof, that would be even better, but... Woo! Now again, this is all a first look, and I've never driven these roads before, as you can see. I wonder what's over there. You guys see these little back roads? Oh, it looks like a little... Probably can't drive over here though. Yeah, I think the map goes off right there, but...